How to eliminate fluid retention, reduce excess water with home remedies. Fluid retention, also known as edema, is a common condition where there is an accumulation of excess fluid in the body's tissues. This can lead to swelling, discomfort, and bloating. There are various causes of fluid retention, such as hormonal changes, medication side effects, or underlying health conditions. However, we would deal with the simple home remedies that may help reduce water retention naturally and explore effective methods to eliminate fluid retention and reduce excess water using these remedies. There are various home remedies to reduce fluid retention. Here are some recommendations that your doctor may suggest to address fluid retention. 1. Increase water intake. It may seem counterintuitive, but staying hydrated can actually help flush out excess fluids from your body. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day helps maintain a healthy balance and prevents your body from holding onto water unnecessarily. 2. Reduce sodium intake. High sodium intake is one of the primary culprits behind fluid retention. Excessive salt consumption can lead to water retention in the body. To combat this, try reducing your sodium intake by avoiding processed foods, fast food, and salty snacks. Instead, opt for fresh fruits and vegetables that are naturally low in sodium. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Your support means everything to us. Thank you. 3. Incorporate potassium-rich foods. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance in the body by counteracting the effects of sodium. Including potassium-rich foods in your diet can help alleviate fluid retention symptoms. Some examples of potassium-rich foods include bananas, avocados, spinach, sweet potatoes, and tomatoes. 4. Dandelion root has been traditionally used as a natural remedy for reducing fluid retention. It is believed to have diuretic properties, meaning it can increase urine production and help with water excretion from the body. The diuretic effect of dandelion root can be beneficial in reducing fluid retention by promoting increased urination and potentially decreasing bloating. By increasing urine output, it may help eliminate excess fluids that are being retained in the body. Drinking dandelion tea or taking dandelion root supplements are common ways to incorporate this herb into your routine. Dandelion tea is known for its potential diuretic effects and can be consumed regularly to support fluid balance. Dandelion root may help reduce fluid retention due to its potential diuretic properties. However, further research is needed to confirm its efficacy. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal remedies or supplements. 5. Ginger is a versatile herb that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its various health benefits. When it comes to reducing fluid retention, ginger may offer some potential advantages. Diuretic properties. Ginger is believed to have diuretic properties, which means it can help increase urine production and promote the elimination of excess fluids from the body. By increasing urine output, ginger may aid in reducing fluid retention and bloating. Anti-inflammatory effects. Fluid retention can sometimes be caused by inflammation in the body. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shigaols, which possess anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation, ginger may help alleviate fluid buildup in tissues. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for managing fluid balance in the body. Some studies suggest that ginger may support weight loss efforts by regulating lipid metabolism and suppressing obesity. By promoting weight management, ginger could indirectly contribute to reducing fluid retention. 6. Parsley is another herb known for its diuretic properties. It contains compounds that can help increase urine output and reduce water retention. You can add fresh parsley to your dishes or brew parsley tea for its potential benefits. 7. Compression garments. Wearing compression garments, such as compression socks or stockings, can help improve circulation and prevent fluid from pooling in the legs and feet. These garments apply gentle pressure, aiding in the movement of excess fluid back towards the heart. 8. Elevate your legs. If you experience swelling in your legs or feet, elevating them above heart level can help reduce fluid buildup by allowing gravity to assist in draining excess fluids back into circulation. 9. Exercise regularly. Engaging in regular physical activity promotes blood circulation and lymphatic flow, which can aid in reducing fluid retention. Incorporate activities like walking, swimming, or yoga into your routine to help alleviate symptoms. 10. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol consumption can dehydrate the body and disrupt normal fluid balance, leading to increased water retention. Limiting alcohol intake or avoiding it altogether may help reduce fluid retention symptoms. Fluid retention can be uncomfortable and bothersome, but with these home remedies, you have natural options to help eliminate excess water from your body effectively. Remember that while these remedies may provide relief for mild cases of water retention, it's essential to consult with your medical doctor if you experience severe or chronic symptoms. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Your support means everything to us. Thank you.